If you've just taken reselling on Depop, Poshmark, Mercari, any of the reselling platforms seriously, and you're looking for a way to organize the endless amount of inventory you have, then you have found the right video, because today I'm phasing out my old inventory system and implementing a new one. So let's get into today's video. So I recently just did a little bit of Amazon shopping. I've been researching a lot on a way to kind of phase out my old inventory system for all of my reselling inventory, because I currently was just putting everything in labeled boxes like t-shirts, pants, dresses, etc., and then just like having like the number of the box listed. But I want something that's better, more efficient. And the thing is, all of my boxes are currently stacked on top of each other, so whenever I have to pull like the bottom box out, I have to take every single box off. So it's just not as efficient as it could be. And I live in Texas and it is currently summer, and my storage unit is technically like one of the outside ones, so doing work there and like spending a lot of time there is just not really ideal for me, because I don't want to be like burning myself. So what I did was I did a lot of research on YouTube, on Google, just to see what other people were doing for their inventory systems, and I saw one that I really liked, and it's basically putting each piece of clothing in a bag, like a clear poly mailer bag, and then assigning it a inventory number, and then putting it in like a spreadsheet and organizing it there. If you guys don't know, I do have a spreadsheet currently that is for sale. It'll be linked down below, but it's basically where it is honestly my holy grail for all of my inventory, because it is so easy for me when I sell something to just type in the listing title, find it, find where it's located, and then mark it as sold. It's so easy, so simple. It's listed down below for you guys. I think it's $10, so not expensive at all. And once you buy it, it's yours to keep. So let me show you what I picked up from Amazon. So I got these from Amazon, and everything that I mentioned in the video will also be linked down below. So don't worry, if you are looking for a way to organize everything, all the products will be down below. But I got these bags off Amazon. They're basically just clear poly mailers, self-sealing essentially bags. These are honestly a lot bigger than the ones I wanted, because I feel like a lot of the clothes that I have are smaller. So there's only 100 right here, so the next batch that I get will probably be a little bit on the smaller end. I did pick up these ones, so these will be good for like jackets or like sweaters or bulkier items. So I have 100 of these. And then I also picked up these inventory tags. They go from 1 to 2,000. I currently only have 500 listings, so these will last me a good amount of time. So what I'm gonna do is I am phasing out my old inventory system. So I'm not touching any of the stuff that's already done, because I don't wanna waste money on reorganizing all of that when it's already technically organized. So all of the new listings will be going into these bags. So currently today's a listing day. I have a bunch of stuff that I've already listed that's been sitting in a pile that needs to be organized. So those will be going into the bags, and then we'll be doing some more listings. So I am gonna be doing like a speed round of this, because I don't think that you wanna sit here and watch me do the whole thing in regular speed, because I think that'd be really boring. But I am first going to sit here and label all of these poly mailers with an inventory number, and then we will come back and start the organizing everything and putting everything in the spreadsheet, because I think it's just gonna be a lot faster that way. So let's get into this.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe. I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. Crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it, 'cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Till the sun's up Monday, we'll tell our phones, do not disturb. I got my straw hat, babe.
So what I'm gonna do first is I have bags of inventory that I've already taken photos of last week that need to be organized. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold everything and put them in the bags first. And then with the new inventory, if I have bags left after, I will go ahead and take photos of all of those. And then I will put those in the bags as well. But this is probably gonna take a long time because everything has to be folded a certain way just to make it really flat. And then I have to update everything in my spreadsheet. So it's probably just gonna be a long time lapse of just me organizing all of this. I'm gonna go back to folding and listing, and look at this jean jacket. Isn't this so cute? I love a jean jacket. I love denim. So cute. Time to fold.
But there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender. Baby, slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach.
Okay, so currently I just wanted to update you on where we've been. I filled 2 bags full of inventory bags. I think we got up to number 23, which I know doesn't sound like a lot, but I had to update every single listing in the spreadsheet and then bag them and then tag them. So I have all of these done. I'm gonna be taking a quick break and then we'll come back and maybe do the rest. I also have to order like heavy duty garage shelves from Amazon. So I'm waiting to do that. And then I also have to order some organizing boxes for the storage unit to put onto the shelves and then put these bags inside of. So that's also on my to-do list for either today or tomorrow. That will not be included in this video. That's going to be included in my storage unit tour. So make sure to check that out. This is just showing you how I'm doing my new system. But yeah, I'm going to go take a quick break. Okay, I just showered and changed and got into some comfy clothes, and I think I'm done with the inventory system for today. I did order the garage shelving unit that's going to be going in my Depop storage unit, and then the boxes, so that's going to be like a whole separate video that will be in my storage unit tour, that when you will see everything set up and organized. I need to find a day where it's not scorching hot to do that, but that is my new inventory system. If you guys haven't checked out my spreadsheet, definitely check it out. It's linked down below. But yeah, good luck if you're going to be reorganizing your inventory, because it is definitely a monstrous task. While I started and got a good portion done today, it's not finished. So there's still a lot more left to do. And I don't know if my face was blurry because I just realized that this was showing in the camera. But that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you found something helpful out of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.